Happy Saturday, March 11th. Badger Mountain Challenge is 2 weeks from yesterday, so a week and six days from now, March 24th. And the plan is to still give it a whirl. See how that goes. Heading out late this morning. You know, the wonderful fire alarm started beeping last night that the battery was gone, and we were out of battery, so I was at 1:30 in the morning heading out to gas stations looking for a 9-volt battery. But anyhow, Steve is already out there. He sent me a message about half an hour ago, half an hour ago, and he's already running. So chances are I won't see him. Plan was originally about 15 miles. We'll see if that actually happens. Like I said, it is later than I expected to be out, but I'm out. So, but anyhow, yeah. So we're heading to Rattlesnake, or I'm heading to Rattlesnake. He's there, and let's get a few miles in. All right. About almost a mile in, right here at Rattlesnake, and yeah, Steve's a few miles ahead of me, and so far so good. This is why we run trails. Yeah. Miles in. There's Steve. He's got probably 7 miles now, right? Mm-hmm. So, yeah. But man, we're about 5 miles in. Steve. Look at that. Oh, geez Louise. Got to watch out over here. A little bit hairy with the ice. There.
I saw elk in the distance and I was like, okay, I'm gonna run to those.
Elk?
Oh, there's just elk.
Yeah, so a little hairy. It was cut out under the trail, so just had to be careful, because if we slid out on the ice, there was nowhere to go. And it is flowy right now. Yes. Beautiful. This goat hill or some stupidity. Look at this. This is straight up. Steve is way down there. That's about how steep it is. And it's all the way up there. We'll see. Up to the top of the stupidity. Look at that. That's how steep it is. And unbelievable. Woo! I mean, you can't walk, it's a tiptoe. Came from down there. Look at this. Okay, here's our bench. Came up top, look way down there. Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Oh. So that was some crazy stuff. That thing was so damn steep. It was absolutely nuts. Yeah. There we go. Cleared it. Yeah, that was crazy. My legs are like wobbly. There's Steve behind me. He kind of waved the bottom for me, but that was brutal.
All right, finished over at Rattlesnake. Steve got 12 miles. I got 10 miles. We met up after I was there. 2 or 3 miles, something like that. And 2 hours, 24 minutes, 18 seconds, 2,149 feet of climbing. And I did some stupid climb of some goat trail, something, and it was just absolutely brutal. I don't remember what it was, but it was just absolutely brutal. I'm not sure what. Here we go. 3/10 of a mile, supposedly. Strava, 3/10 of a mile, 657 feet. Grade 41.5%. That was steep. That hurt. But anyhow, but yeah, so it was good. So I averaged 14 minutes, 25 seconds a mile. Felt really good. The first couple miles was moving pretty well, you know, for me. Even though it was pretty up, you know, uphill, a couple hundred feet a mile, 200-300 feet a mile, and I was averaging at the 12-minute range or so. So that I'm okay with that, 12:30. Right in there for the first 3 miles. But anyhow, it was good, and puts me at 19, a little over 19 miles for the week. I did 2 3-mile runs on the treadmill. Couple of practices with girls on the run at work, and so, but yeah, the treadmill runs on Tuesday. I did something like, you know, 1%, 3%, 5, 7, and 9. I'm not sure which order, but I did those. And then on Thursday, and those were half a mile each, by the way. On Thursday, I did half a mile each. Started with 1, straight to 11. I went 1, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3. Then cooled down with like a quarter mile at 0 or something. So, just trying to get used to some kind of elevation, you know. And today was pretty good, you know. There were some pretty good climbs. Rattlesnake is always fun. So anyhow, so that was the run. That's the end of the Saturday, and running tomorrow, Badger, just a loop, 7 miles maybe or so. So be all right, and yeah, it'll be good. Probably won't get much video from that, but it's okay. Like I said, Badger, 50 miler 2 weeks from yesterday, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, have a great week, and we will see you next week.